First mover Asia. Does crypto's success depend on the upcoming presidential election? Also, the commitment of traders report shows that asset managers have increased their open long positions in Bitcoin after falling in the 2 prior weeks. Good morning. Here's what's happening. Prices. The post-debt ceiling rally in the crypto market has ended, with Bitcoin and Ether declining in East Asia. What's the next narrative for crypto? Insights. The latest commitment of traders reports shows a rebound in open long positions among asset managers. Prices. Looking for the next pricing narrative by Sam Reynolds. Good morning, Asia. Yesterday's post-debt ceiling deal rally has come to an end. Bitcoin is beginning East Asia's trading day down 1.3% at $27,746, while Ether is down 1% to $1,883. In the last few weeks, crypto has struggled with a narrative problem. The absence of a defining narrative, is it a risk asset or a hedge against risk, has made for patternless price swings and confused investors. Some might say, for instance, that Bitcoin should have risen on debt ceiling uncertainty as a U.S. default would have jolted the traditional financial system, but instead, Bitcoin acted like a stock. Perhaps crypto's narrative is no narrative at all. Ed Moya, a senior market analyst with foreign exchange market maker ONA, posits that the upcoming U.S. election is the narrative to watch. We were reminded that the key to Bitcoin's success in the U.S. might depend on the upcoming presidential election, Moyer wrote in a note Friday. Florida Governor Ron DeSantis announced his intentions to run for president and appears poised to protect Bitcoin. With central bank digital currencies being a new wedge issue in Florida's political landscape, the national stage is the next logical step. Crypto has come up in elections worldwide, such as South Korea and Thailand, and President Joe Biden mentioned it when discussing debt deal negotiations. Maybe this will be the narrative to watch. Insights. Funding rates remain positive in crypto markets by Glenn Williams, Jr. The commitment of traders report shows that asset managers have increased their open long positions in Bitcoin after falling in the 2 prior weeks. The 24-contract increase follows a reduction of 162 contracts the week prior. The increase halts what appeared to be more of an overall reduction in exposure than a commentary on price itself. Asset managers reduced their short positions as well over the identical time period by a total of 184 contracts. The Commodity Futures Trading Commission (CFTC) releases COT data weekly, detailing the open interest and activity of asset managers, leverage funds, and dealer intermediaries in Bitcoin futures. Asset managers now comprise 48.9% of open long positions on the Chicago Mercantile Exchange and are 97.25% long the asset as a group. Important events. 5 p.m. HKT/SGT 9 a.m. UTC, European Commission Business Climate May 5 p.m. HKT/SGT 9 a.m. UTC, European Commission Consumer Confidence May 10 p.m. HKT/SGT 2 p.m. UTC, US. Consumer Confidence May CoinDesk TV. In case you missed it, here is the most recent episode of the Hash on CoinDesk TV. Lawyer behind FTX lawsuit addresses Shaq getting served. Ether balance on exchanges nears all-time low. The Hash hosts weighed in on the biggest stories shaping the crypto industry today. The number of Ether ETH on exchanges hit a low not seen since July 2016 as staking saps up available Ether. Separately, the potential sign that good economic news equals bad news for digital asset prices narrative is beginning to shift. Plus, the lawyer representing some FTX investors, Adam Moskowitz, joined the Hash to discuss basketball legend Shaquille O'Neal being served in a class action lawsuit regarding FTX and its celebrity endorsements. Headlines. Dogecoin chart pattern suggests volatility explosion ahead. A technical analysis indicator called Bollinger Bandwidth suggests Dogecoin's unusual calm could soon end with a pronounced move in either direction. Gemini and bankrupt lender Genesis ask U.S. court to dismiss SEC lawsuit targeting EARN program. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission alleged the two entities had sold unregistered securities through Gemini's EARN program. Bitcoin's short-term holders are again selling at profit. Short-term holders. Renewed profitability is a positive signal for near-term price action, according to an observer. Phantom will pay back 15% of token fees to some projects. The move is part of an initiative to drive demand for block space, which help add to the value proposition of FTM tokens. Shiba Inu-themed Floki sees trading volume surge amid China plans. Floki prices rallied on Sunday amid a Bitcoin-led market. Push and bets on the token's China narrative.